Cleaning a pool can be a grueling task that not only takes a lot of time and effort, but can also be extremely messy. However, the best robotic pool cleaner can dramatically reduce the amount of cleaning time and allow you to sit back and relax instead of getting your hands dirty. There are many products available to choose robotic pool cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best robotic pool cleaners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool. This top-rated cleaner also has a top-load filtration system, which filters the water out while capturing all dirt and debris in a filter bag. This makes Dolphin's Nautilus CC incredibly easy to clean, and giving you more time to lie back on your Lilo and enjoy your summer days. Providing a very high level of performance at a great price, the Dolphin Nautilus CC is the best pool cleaning robot when it comes to value for the money. No matter what shape your pool is, this awesome robot systematically scans the pool floor to calculate the fastest and most efficient path. The active scrubbing brushes lifts up even the finest dirt, leaving you with an extremely clean pool. Positive side of this product: scans the pool floor, lifts up fine debris. Active scrubbing brushes, 50% lighter. Top load filtration system, easy to clean, energy efficient, perfect for in-ground pools. Number 2. Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. Extremely convenient and highly efficient, no job is too big for the large Dolphin Premier Automatic Pool Cleaner. Coming in at 37.2 pounds, the Dolphin Premier is a little hefty, but definitely worth it for the performance you get. This amazing machine also packs a whopping 60 feet of cable, so there's no need to mess about with extension leads when you can just plug it into the nearest socket and let it do its thing. An inbuilt scheduling system makes the Dolphin Premier extremely convenient. Choose between 1, 2, or 3 day cycles, and you'll always have a clean pool with absolutely no backache. The filter indicator even lets you know when your filter bag needs to be cleaned, so in the meantime, all you need to worry about is planning your next big pool. When it comes to energy efficiency, the Dolphin Premier is the best pool cleaning robot, allowing you to reduce your energy use by up to 87% and ultimately saving you money. It also has a 360 rotation and tangle-free engineering, so you don't need to worry about it tangling in its electric wire. Dual scrubbing brushes easily lift up dirt and debris from the floor and leaves your pool sparkling clean. Positive side of this product: stylish design, extra large filter bag, dual filter cartridges. SmartNav software delivers highly optimized scanning, unlimited 360-degree rotation for tangle-free operation, reduces your energy use by up to 87%. Perfect for extra large in-ground pools. Can be used every day. Number 3. Polaris Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Polaris is quite compact in shape, making it easy to store and transport, as it doesn't take up much room. However, this robotic pool cleaner is quite heavy, coming in at 44 pounds. This heavyweight machine makes it high-performing, however, it may not be the best option for those who have trouble lifting. Positive side of this product: high scanning ability, high level of traction, strong vacuum, excellent navigation. Number 4. Dolphin Nautilus Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. Dolphin Nautilus is well known for making top-quality cleaning products, and this is definitely the case with this model. While the newer models above have extra features, this is the original Nautilus that launched the line and is still an excellent investment, and at a lower price point, too. Another drop-and-go model, this highly rated automatic pool cleaner allows you to relax while it does the work. According to user reviews, this incredible machine has been known to run for 18 hours, perfect for that first big clean after the winter sheets have come off your pool. The reusable filters are also incredibly easy to clean. Positive side of this product: drop and go, highly efficient, anti-tangle swivel, dual scrubbing brushes, known to run for up to 18 hours, perfect for extra large swimming pools. Number 5. Aquabit APR VJR Pool Rover. Aquabit's Rover Junior Automatic Cleaner is one of the best above-ground pool robotic cleaners on the market. It can clean your pool in under an hour, saving you the hassle of doing it yourself. This chunky little robot resembles a kid's toy, making a cute addition to any backyard, although this does mean it requires extra supervision around children. It comes with 40 feet of floating cable, allowing it to get cleaning just about anywhere. The large wheels can navigate over any surface that you want, while a 2-hour shut-off time makes it the perfect pool cleaner. Positive side of this product: fully automatic, cleans entire pool in 1 hour. Single pump motor, can be used every day. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.